How to get rid of mold. 8 mold busters that actually work. Are you constantly battling mold and feeling like it's taking over your home? Are you tired of scrubbing and cleaning, only to have it return? It's a common problem and can be a real pain in the butt. Not only is it unsightly, but mold can significantly reduce the quality of your indoor air, causing adverse health effects for you and your family. Those with mold allergies are especially at risk, since these immunological disorders can lead to asthma and other breathing issues. Although there are plenty of over-the-counter solutions for getting rid of mold, more often than not, they don't live up to their promise. Plus, many of these products contain harsh chemicals. If you're looking for alternative ways to get rid of mold, keep watching. Here are 8 effective solutions from mild to more stubborn cases. Number 1. Vinegar. Vinegar is your best bet if you're after a safe and effective solution for cleaning surface mold buildup. Its mild acidity and antimicrobial properties make it a trusty sidekick in the fight against mold. The only downside? Its strong smell is like a bad breakup. It lingers for a while. But fear not, my friend. Just think of it as a reminder that you're using an all-natural solution. So go ahead, pour that vinegar like it's hot, or use a spray bottle if you're feeling fancy. Let it sit for an hour, and then wipe away the evidence of your mold nemesis. Number 2. Hydrogen peroxide. If you're struggling with mold growth, hydrogen peroxide can be another effective solution. It's particularly useful for more stubborn cases. To use it, pour 3% hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and apply it generously to the moldy area. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Then scrub the surface until the mold disappears. Finish by wiping the area clean and dry to ensure that all spores are removed. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a well-known essential oil with powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties. These properties also make it an effective natural solution for cleaning moldy areas in your home. Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well to ensure the oil is evenly distributed in the water. Then, spray the solution onto the moldy area and let it sit for a few hours. This gives the tea tree oil time to work its magic and kill the mold spores. Finally, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth. Number 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile solution that can effectively tackle various issues, including mold growth. In addition to eliminating mold, it can also absorb excess moisture that contributes to mold formation. To use baking soda as a mold remover, combine 2 tablespoons of it with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. After shaking the mixture well, spray it on the affected area and let it sit for a while. Then, use a sponge to scrub off the mold. Rinse the surface with clean water and wipe it dry. Number 5. Grapefruit seed extract. If you're a fan of grapefruit seed extract, you probably know all about its health benefits. It's like a superhero that fights off bacterial, viral, and fungal infections with ease. But it's also used to get rid of mold. To whip up your own mold-killing solution, mix 20 drops of grapefruit seed extract with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. Give it a good shake, then spray it onto the mold and let it soak in until it's almost dry. Once the solution has done its job, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth. Number 6. Borax. Also known as sodium borate, borax is a naturally occurring powdery white substance that is widely used as a household cleaner and laundry detergent booster. It also makes for an excellent mold remover. To tackle that pesky mold problem, just combine 1 cup of borax for every gallon of water and spray it on the affected area. Grab a scrubbing brush to help loosen the mold. Once done, give it another wipe with a damp rag. A word of caution though, while borax is generally considered safe to use, it can be toxic if ingested or inhaled in large amounts, so be careful. Now, if the solutions I mentioned so far are just simply not cutting it, it's time to bring out the big guns. Number 7. Ammonia. For non-porous surfaces, such as tiles or counters, ammonia is a highly effective mold-busting agent. However, it is not recommended for use on porous cloth materials or drywall. To use it, mix it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio and pour it into a spray bottle. Apply the solution to the affected area and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Then, scrub off any remaining residue using a sponge with an abrasive side. The ammonia solution should be potent enough to eliminate the need for excessive scraping or scrubbing. Once the area is clean, wipe away any debris, and you're done. Number 8. Bleach. If you're dealing with really stubborn mold, bleach can be a helpful solution as a last resort. It's effective and doesn't contain toxic surfactants, but it's still important to handle it with care. And just like ammonia, bleach only works on hard, non-porous surfaces. To use, mix 1 part bleach with 10 parts water in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture onto the mold and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Give it a good scrub with a brush or sponge and rinse the area with water. Warning: never mix ammonia with bleach, as this combination can produce toxic fumes that can be harmful or even deadly. Always wear protective clothing, including gloves and goggles, when handling these products, and use them in a well-ventilated area. At the end of the day, mold can be a problem in any home, but there are definitely some steps you can take to minimize its growth. First and foremost, it's important to keep your home dry and well-ventilated. This means using exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens, opening windows regularly, and fixing any leaks or water damage as soon as possible. You can also invest in a dehumidifier to reduce moisture levels in particularly humid areas. Additionally, regularly cleaning and dusting your home can help prevent mold from accumulating on surfaces. If you do find mold in your home, be sure to address it promptly by cleaning it up with one of the solutions listed here, or calling in a professional if the problem is extensive. By taking these steps, you can keep your home mold-free. Thanks for watching! If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a post.